Good morning, St. Andrews students. Today we are going our next chapter, which is latitude and longitude. First of all, we will talk about the globe. What is globe? Do you know, students? Globe is a miniature model of the Earth, which gives an idea of the location of the different places on the Earth. Now we will talk about the latitude and the longitude. Latitude and longitude, now we talk about that Earth. We have an axis on which rotations take places. There is the North Pole and South Pole that we trying over to understand. Now we can divide Earth under various imaginary lines. These imaginary lines can be horizontal or vertical. Horizontal lines called latitude and vertical lines called longitude. In other words, latitude we can say the parallels. Now, how do we understand the parallels? Let's talk about equator. Equator, that is equator. This is the first imaginary line which belongs to 0 degree. Okay, students. Now come to the latitude, which is equator. Equator is the perpendicular to the axis on the Earth. When we talk about any of the parallels on the Earth, the sole idea is different between the two parallel lines remains same. These are the two parallel lines which always remains same. That is called latitude. A latitude is defined by the angle that subtended from the center of the Earth to the latitude and the form of the latitudes itself. Let's say 0 degree. That the equator. Now we can this 23 1 upon 2 0 degree north. That is called Tropic of Cancer. Understand, students? This Tropic of Cancer, the angle that is subtended till the Tropic of Cancer from the center of the Earth, and that angle sweep the form 23 1 upon 2 degree. So you have the Tropic of Cancer that lies in the north. 23 1 upon 2 0 degree south in the Tropic of Capricorn. Similarly, 66 1 upon 0 degree north, that is Arctic Circle in the equator, between the equator, and 66 1 upon 2 degrees south, that is Antarctic Circle. Coming to the longitude, the basic difference between longitude and latitude belongs to north to south. As a result, they are merged towards the pole, and therefore or the distance between the two longitude at the equator and the pole is not the same. I hope, students, you understand the latitude very well. In the next session, we will discuss about the longitude. If you have any queries, any questions, write down in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.